Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf bar in a tap-on refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a marker pen, and a sheet metal scissors. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door shelf bar. There are 4 identical door shelf bars used in this refrigerator. 2 in the freezer and 2 in the fresh food sections. They are located on the doors. The bar keeps the stuff on the shelf, preventing them from falling off. The main reason to replace the door shelf bar is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove this bar, we need to take out the support first. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to press in this tab and I'm going to push down on the support. I'm going to slide it off, put it aside, and then I'm going to slide out the door shelf bar from the left support. This is the old door shelf bar next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. If you notice, they are different length. The thing is that this bar is universal for all the sizes of the fridges which use this type of the bar. So we need to cut the new one to the length of the old one. Alright, so I'm going to place both bars on the table. The new one, the long one, would be at the bottom, and I'm going to put the old one on the top of it, and we're going to align the end. You need to be very precise. Hold it down. And I'm going to use the marker pen, and I'm going to mark the end of that top bar. And remember, you just go on this side. I'm going to use the pen again, and you're going to mark this on the side. Here I'm going to a little to the right. And I'm going to start cutting. Okay. And we're going to bring it into the fridge and install it. So we're going to install the bar on the left side, and I'm going to bring the opposite side and place that support in. All right. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.